This is Benz dealership in Parramatta. Look at the car. AMG. Look at the car. Ooh, this one already sold. If you want one of this car, you have to wait until 2024. Hello friends, thank you for watching my video, and I am happy to tell you everyone to the world, I am a crypto millionaire, Bitcoin. To be honest, Bitcoin doesn't have an existence like this. This is just a fake to represent Bitcoin, how it's look like. Bitcoin, if the Bitcoin should be like a tangible or feeling currency like a fiat currency, it should be like this, one of this. But no, Bitcoin doesn't have an existence like this, no physical existence, but there is money from Bitcoin, you can make it. What do you have to do? Learn about Bitcoin, learn about cryptocurrency, learn about blockchain technology. This is tech world. Everyone can do this. If I can be a millionaire, you can too. Today I am so happy that I bought a car with $140,000 worth of a Mercedes Benz GLA-45 S. There's no other car in such a range. I was trying to buy a car, but maybe entry level car. That's all I can afford from my daily wages, you know. A great car, a premium car, there's some sports, SUV. I can go anywhere with that car. It's an off-road car, beautiful. This is the most expensive gift I have bought in my entire life. And this one goes to my wife as a gift. Why? Because I did a lot of struggle, and she is the one who also struggled a little bit. So I lost money. Yes, I know. I lost money, but I make it back. But I put something how to make without losing money in my website. I got a website, you know that. You might know about it. So I got a little bit step by step. How do you do when you buy and stuff like that? You need to put some time first. Before you put any money in Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, you have to put some time to learn about it. Well, it's simple things. Learn before earn. Once you learn, you will get a confidence to put money, where to put, when to buy, when to sell, take the profit. Cryptocurrency is the most volatile, up and down, you know, it's fantastic. Most of the people making, a lot of people are become millionaire. I am the one of that. If I can do, you can do it as well. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt or inquiries, please watch, go to my website. My website link will be below somewhere, so you can check there. So you can do start investing or just learn. Don't invest anything. If you are scared, don't invest anything. Just learn. This is a new technology. Just learn. Learning is you are not paying anything. You are not costing anything. Just learn for the new technology. If you are not confident, don't do it. But Bitcoin is the future world currency. Bitcoin got wings, is flying. In 2031, one Bitcoin will be $12.5 million. That's what experts say, not from me. I don't know. One Bitcoin will be $12.5 million. Now, when I'm taking this video, Now one Bitcoin is 75,000 Australian dollar. All right. Thank you guys for your time. Bye bye. Enjoy your time. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye bye.